Welcome to this stress relief tapping meditation. Before we begin, take a moment to rate your current stress level on a scale from 0 to 10, with 0 being completely relaxed and 10 being extremely stressed. Now close your eyes, and we'll begin by centering ourselves with some calming breaths. Start by taking a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. One more time, in through your nose, and slowly exhale through the mouth. Now start tapping on the side of your hand. Even though I feel stressed, I deeply and completely accept myself. I choose to let go of this stress and embrace peace. Eyebrow point, this stress that I'm holding on to. Side of the eye, I acknowledge it and let it go. Under the eye, I choose to release this tension now. Under the nose, I am calm and at peace. Under the mouth, I am letting go of stress with each tap. Collarbone, I am safe and relaxed. Under the arm, I am in control of my emotions. Top of the head, I am releasing stress and embracing calmness. Now you can stop tapping as we finish with another couple of deep breaths. Slowly inhale through your nose. And slowly exhaling through your mouth. One more time, inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Feel the calmness wash over you. Now that we've completed our tapping session, take another moment to rate your stress level on a scale from 0 to 10. Notice any changes or shifts in how you feel. Remember, this practice is here to support you whenever you need it.